All right, so welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. So this morning, I would like to go through this post, the war between Akparawa and Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the owner of the X. Many of you know him, and they have been going back and forward. Akparawa don't want to answer his real name, and he keep on wondering why they are bringing him down because of the falsehood, like some of the lies, propaganda that he's dishing out, and all that. Maybe I'm not aware, but maybe some that it could be that someone is busy reporting him to the owner of the platform because they keep on bringing him down. You open another one, they bring him down. You open another one, they bring it down. He keep on changing names. Do you understand? He keep on changing names, answering some names like Akparawa Sonny. Akparawa Igba, like Simon Igba Akparawa. Now he opened another one, Namodikan Akparawa. Anyway, I'm not against him changing name, but we all know that everything that has to do with him is fake. His real name, something Archibald. I think Anebet, something like that, Archibald. But he don't want to answer that. I don't know why he's not proud of his name. If truly you are in love with the Biafra like you want us to believe, why don't you just allow us to know your name? Since you are Minister of Information, I am not, so don't compare me with you. I am not, you are. At least you can tell the whole world who you are. Do you understand? Okay, get a fake name. So now, Minister of Information, fake name. So many of them do. Bearing fake names. The other one called one of them media, Okute TV. Okute TV. You are just you are a government official, right? Unlike us, you don't need to copy us. But like the one called Okute TV, you won't see his picture. You don't know his voice. Okay, some people do know. People that follow him, maybe they know his voice. I don't know his voice. Then pictures and videos is haram. You can't see anything from his platform, like his picture, his image. There's another Akparawa who chose to bear different name, like what you are seeing now on your screen. Just pay attention to what you have there on the screen. You can see Sonny Akparawa and Nnamdi Akparawa. So on 25th of this month, November, he made a publication and said, X, be aware of my new names. Now, be aware of my new names now before you say inauthentic account or impersonation. So this is why I said that the war is between him and X. So it's not as if somebody actually reports him, for something that maybe he's doing or something like that. X actually made it clear to him the reason why you are blocking you is because you are bearing, fake name and you are impersonating someone. That alone bring issue, and they brought him down. Then he chose to use another name, Nnamdi Akparawa. The question is, why must he attach his name to Nnamdi or Simon Ekpa? Because he want Biafran to see him as a true Biafran, somebody who don't joke with these two leaders. But a few weeks ago, he was calling PM Simon Ekpa Mr. Ekpa. Mr. Ekpa is focusing on his sabotaging Biafrans. He's fighting for his personal interest. Oh, Mr. Ekpa is protecting Ngozi Oraveze. This is, unheard of. Very, very crazy thing. But now, Twitter, brought him down because of the name Simon Ekpa, Akparawa, and other. According to what you have here, what you are seeing here, that the reason why they chose to go against his account because of inauthentic account and or impersonation, according to what you are seeing here. Now, it did not end there. But before we go further, please like the video if you have not. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That's the only way to support us, for now. So please do all you can and put your comment. Let me know what you think about it on the comment section. I will be busy reading the comment, to be honest. So please, as you all know, we do check all the comments. So please like the video and subscribe and put your comments. As you can see here, so pay close attention to this. Do you understand? Here is Sona Akparawa again, the second platform of Brigi. You know, backing up this narrative, of course. And he says here, has Elon Musk X support premium turned free? Elon Musk support premium turned free speech upside down. Since when did editing name on X becomes a crime? To block Brigi Information Minister account. Here is screenshot of when he said he is changing his name. Okay? Does updating your names on X now warrant suspension of his account? We are appealing to X to unfreeze his account, unfreeze the account for Biafran people. The account is not for Biafran people. No, it's not for Biafran people. And in case if you don't understand what he's saying here, Sona Akparawa made this post. Okay, like you have seen in the other ones. After making that first post, that look, yes, be aware, I am going to change my name from Simon Ekpa Akparawa to Nnamdi Kanu Akparawa. What happened to Anebe Machibo? I mean, what happened to the name? Why don't you just use it? You do understand? Because if truly we are out to do something genuinely, why must you feel so irritated, or you don't want to associate your name with the Biafran that you claim that you are fighting for? Does it make any sense? To me, it doesn't make any sense, and that's a very big problem. I think the name or the picture is none better for you. I mean, you can see it more better now. And this is the screenshot from Sona Akparawa. According to their official, their second account, because nothing is official about this. What is official about them? I don't see anything official here. So he said, old name Sona Akparawa, Simon Ekpa Akparawa. New name Nnamdi Kanu Akparawa. Even after claiming this, because S warned them that your name, you are impersonating somebody by bearing this name Simon Ekpa. All right, you are impersonating. As you can see here, inauthentic accounts or impersonation. Then he said, okay, I am going to change my name from this to this. Twitter, be aware. It's not about changing the name. You are still copying people's name. Use your name. Here, after putting this Nnamdi Kanu Akparawa, okay, as you can see, as a new account, they still bring it down and they are vibrating. Ogenkere that you are trying to copy don't have any other Ogenkere in the account or acting prime minister. Twitter don't know that such name exists. So if anybody open an account with that name, they will consider it. Not when you have another account that bears Simon Ekpa in X and Nnamdi Kanu on S as well, and you want to attach your own Akparawa to that, it's gonna be a problem. Some people actually see this as if maybe you are in love with the Mas Nnamdi Kanu and PM Simon Ekpa. That is why you are using their names, to create an account. No, it's about another way to deceive Biafrans, to make it look like you actually mean good when you don't mean anything serious. There's nothing serious about you. You are just trying to deceive people to believe that you are very, very sincere, you are ready to do this and do that. But the truth is that you are totally opposite of what you want people to see in you. Now, I'm going to share this with you because the hatred this guy have on Biafrans can be seen by everyone. You can see it. It is not just a joke. Last time we talked about Portable's attack on Commander Chief Priest, right? And I have made a video using this particular post we are seeing here. This name called information media and whatever. Okay. Information Minister, that's the Information Minister, and from Fallback Republic. Okay, this account you are seeing here, Akparawa is the one controlling it in a low key. But you can see how he's here trying to make it look like another neutral person is condemning what S has done to him. That's why he said, has Elon Musk, okay, X, support premium, turn free speech upside down. Since when did editing names on X becomes a crime to block, breaking minister, whatever? All these things is just to make it look like people don't know what they are doing. Okay, now let's go back to the issue. Here, you will see a post from Portable when Portable was attacking Cubana chief priest. All right, for what I don't know. Do you understand? For just one reason, trying to, promote Tinubu and all that. But there's something. Even Akparawa here, I told you he's the one behind this account. Read what he said here. He said, this portable message to the useless celebrity of Biafran claiming Nigerian enter well. Cubana priest should hide his face in shame. Now, there's something that Portable said here that I want to, nobody, read me into that, but I think you will understand it now. Let's just go. I'm going to play it again. Once I play, please, I want you to listen to this part. Listen very, very, very well. Let's go.
You first go fight for your belly. Where you go, Baba Tinubu house? In our office. Where you go snap picture. You don't remember when you tell Baba Tinubu when you release your brother. Now your belly you go fight for. Your big belly. I bet you do one shot. Now you first go fight for. You fight for your belly. Now, so now you talk, say, Tinubu no go see 10,000 votes and 10,000 followers. We dey play. Where they go use money buy your people.
Now, this part where they go use money buy your people, if you are an able man, this one should concern you very well. This is an insult. This insult is too much. So you are just, money can buy your conscience and buy your life. So for Portable, who is mentally challenged, coming out to tell you that they will use money to buy your people. If you have sense at all, you need to readjust. That's all I can say about it. But that's not the reason why we're playing this. Let's continue.
Your people go collect money. Maybe they go fight for their belly. You forget your brother. You forget your brother where they prison. You go Baba Tinubu, go snap picture, collect money. You collect money, you no collect money. You collect contract, you no collect contract. You snap picture, you no snap. You collect money, you no collect money. You collect contract, you no collect contract. You snap picture, you no snap picture. You double, you no double. Now you know, remember me tell about Tinubu say your brother dey prison.
Okay. Listen.
Brother, no worry.
Now hear what he said here. Say no worry. Now them may watch.
Yeah, man, sit down. May talk say better pray.
You better pray.
Okay, now if you don't reach that time.
You better pray if you don't reach that time. What does that mean?
You will forget your brother. Wait.
He wanted to tell you that you better pray that your brother survive. That he may not reach that time. That is exactly what he wants to say here. But remember why he such a, the video we played yesterday, what she did. When she want to say something and hold it back and join another word there just to cover up. That's exactly what Portable did here. But Akparawa is telling that the message he told Cubana chief priest entered well. Even though in as much as you hate Cubana chief priest, like I'm not his fan. But remember what he said here is an insult to entire Igbo race. That they will use money to buy your people. They use money to buy your people. That means no matter if Yoruba can do anything they want to do now, just share money to Igbo people, they will vote for you. What insult? What is the insult again that you are looking for? What another insult? Anyway, please let me know what you think about it. I don't want it to be too long. Let's just make it snappy. Tell me what you think about it, and please put your comments and like the video. God bless you. Good morning. Bye bye for now.